So, hello. Hi, I'm Nikki, and I am so ready to get my fingers dirty and my mouth full. Or my mouth full and my fingers... No, wait. We're back in the kitchen today. I'm saying that as if we've been here recently. We did the fridge tag. You're welcome. We're making one of my favourite things in the world. Peanut butter cup balls. Peanut butter cups in the shape of balls, because you guys always get us Reese's peanut butter cups at meet and greets, conventions, etc. And I love that. I love that for us. That's cute. But I actually have decided that I'm not, bear with, a huge fan of Reese's peanut butter cups anymore. What the f?
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just
I love Reese's peanut butter cups, and this has inspired me to make a British version. And by British, I mean probably 50% less. All of this was bought in Co-op. Sugar. So what we're going to do is show you the ingredients now. Whoa. Peanut butter, also known as the lifeblood of me. This is that brand that you get if you've got that little bit extra in the bank and you want to treat yourself to good peanut butter, not just the stuff that is peanuts and sugar. The most important ingredient for this, chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Instead of sugar today, we are using stevia because God knows it's just the end of January and we're still on a bit of a health kick. We've got our gym memberships in full swing. We're trying not to take the car so often, and we're trying to use public transport where we can. Tip of the day, if you're trying to make a recipe, you need to make sure that you're going somewhere that has all of the ingredients. So naturally, I thought go to the Co-op because they have everything. I needed peanuts. Do you know how many peanuts make up a mixed bag of nuts? Nikki, stop guessing. It wasn't a mixed bag of nuts, it was like a grazed snack bag. We have 6 peanuts that need to be roughly chopped to make the filling. Hey, have you got any peanuts? Excuse me, do you have any peanuts? Do you have any peanuts around? Hello, I'm looking for peanuts. I'm a desperate search for peanuts. I'm chopping up the nuts. I don't know how to chop up a nuts, I'm just gonna try. Oh, like that. Okay, that was easy. Mix together the chopped peanuts, the peanut butter, and sweetener. Oh, we need 1 cup of peanut butter. That's half that tub. Into the bowl, I'm putting the chopped peanuts. Oh, hello. Look at that cone. Smell me. Tip of the day, if you have trouble with your measurements, balls, I've just got it down the side of... I'm going to use this little measuring cup here. It's not a measuring cup, that's an espresso cup. You're so privileged. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave or on top of a double boiler. Okay, we'll get a saucepan out. What's a double boiler? Americans are so messed up with their equipment and things. But you don't need to double boil, you can just put it in the microwave. Stop! If you were to tell me right now, what is your favourite thing to mix with peanut butter? Sadness, greed, emotional turmoil. If you cooked your nan properly, you probably ate all of the food she prepared before it went into the oven. We used to eat the cake mix before it went in the oven. And I think now kids are like, snowflake, E. coli, salmonella, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, didn't kill me, did me good. Right now we just have a ball of peanut butter. In fact, it looks like a pillow of peanut butter. Oh, damn. Oh, I think it's done, by the way. Do you want to share with you what I've created in the matter of moments? A cow pat. And what we're going to do with this is form it into fist-sized balls and dunk it in chocolate. Dunk it. Fist size? It's got to be the size of a tablespoon. Make it fist size, we're going to run out of chocolate in one dunk. Why have you got to spoil the fun? Tip of the day, if you are trying to be healthy, peanut butter is a great food source. It's full of fats and protein and fibre. Oh, God knows I want to lick this spoon so bad. Ooh. We've run into difficulty with this recipe, and all it had is 4 ingredients and 3 steps. So what we're going to do today is make less peanut butter balls with more peanut butter and fewer bits of chocolate. And then probably eat the rest of the peanut butter at a later date, or now. Oh, don't mind me. What are you doing? We don't need that now. So, we are lining a bowl that we're going to put in the fridge with foil. We're using our spoon to take a measurement of peanut butter. They're not stupid, just you are. Sorry, I hate touching food. Look how much a mess we've got on our side after this one thing. Dumb. I hate touching food. Cool. Okay, so we're going to drop it into the chocolate. Yeah, swirl it around a bit. Hot. It's not that hot. And then, once it's covered on all sides, there's literally a piece missing on the bottom. I can't help that. I'm going to drop it on there. So I found that it's not working. Forgot the camera's on a second then. I was just really going to... The photos on the website aren't great. This is what ours look like. We are now going to put them in the fridge for enough time so they harden. I'm putting them in the freezer. We'll check back with you in a moment. See you then.
1 hour later.
It's about 45 minutes later. We've left. No, it isn't. It's about 10. It's about 15 minutes. 20, 25. So we've put them in the freezer rather than the fridge. That could have turned out to be a mistake. Let's find out. The freezer's here. I'm not just walking off. So they're like this. Very solid. I'm over here, by the way. So this is what we're dealing with. It's like there's barely any chocolate on it, let's be honest. Lovely thick layer of peanut butter. Cute little layer of chocolate. There we have it. Time to try the Reese's cup. This is good. It's just chocolate and peanut butter. What did we expect? It tastes like the bowl that was mixing it in earlier, but colder. Oh, you bitch. So there you have it. Homemade, healthy Reese's peanut butter cups. But they're not Reese's and they're mine. That's Terry's. Let us know in the comments if you are a fan of... Why are you shuffling? You're always trying to get off camera. I'm delighted by these. It took a long time. In reality, it probably would have taken half that if we don't normally. Tip of the day, you want something good, combine two of your favourite things into one, unless your favourite things are something like banana and cheese, because that'd be weird. We hope you enjoyed our first video back in the kitchen. If you like this video, subscribe because we are terrible chefs. If you haven't already, by the way, we've got a new channel called TTK, which is all for our K-pop and Korean culture and Korean music and lifestyle stuff. The link is in the top of our description. So it's also a card popping up somewhere around here now, if I remember to put it in. Probably not. On that note, you're probably looking for a card right now. It's not there. I'm really thirsty. You're making me delay this. I need to go and get a drink. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, bye. Thanks for watching the video. See you later. Goodbye. Peace, bitches.